What's up, YouTube? This your boy Trigger T, and I just received my HID conversion kit in the mail today, and just want to do a little open box. See what comes in there. Alright, here we go. First of all, you get your instruction manual. Alright, let's see. This is the ballast. Get your ballast. Got the kind of thick ballast. Would have preferred the thin ones, but I paid $100, so a little bit more. I could have got the thin ones, but it really didn't matter. You got your mounting brackets. Just two of them. Rest of them right here. Your bulbs. Oh, by the way, these are 10,000s, so if they be kind of bluish, they will be blue, pretty bright. You get zip ties, 4 zip ties. It's like your double-sided tape. Some bolts. And that's pretty much it in this box. This is for going on my 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix. The headlights, I received those also. Open the box up. These are my LED halo headlights. Don't really see too many people with these, but I can't wait to put them on. These are the projector lights. As you can see, the projector here. You got your halo here. You have another halo here on the high beam. You have 3 LEDs back here. One right there, one there, and another back there. And you also have 4 LEDs up top. They came in black, but the black seemed like they was pretty cheap, so I got the chrome. You know, you get your side reflector also. The black didn't have that for some reason, but they look nice, but they didn't have the reflector, so I just got the chrome. I think they look better anyway. So get all your connectors, all your wires and stuff. You got these are for the LEDs. And I'll be doing a follow-up video when I install them. Alright, see you later.